Anthony, I won't take it out of first. I won't go over 10. I won't go over 10. Please. Guys, I might have got it. I might be able to drive the 250L. It's gonna be crazy. Will he let me? We'll find out soon. Come on. Honda Riding's first test spin on the Honda Crf250L.
Only to over there.
We're gonna do a little test comparison, see how it runs compared to the 150F, and it should be a pretty good time, guys. We'll test the power and all that good stuff. Hopping onto the bike, it is a lot taller than the 150F, and it does feel weird with the boots, but sounds a lot different too. Clutch is a little weird. Okay. Whoa! Oh my god. It is so much faster than my bike. It is unbelievable. Ah! This bike is a beast. Guys, this bike is unbelievable. First of all, the power's a lot better. We're going in a second here. The power is noticeably different. The commands are easy to use. Everything's pretty easy to use, really. We're in second right now, so the bike is a lot wider at like the waist. Woo! It is unbelievable, the power. Got the headlights. So the controls are pretty simple. Kill switch, electric start, turning signals, horn. Got this, and high beams. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. It is a lot heavier than my bike, I can tell you that. But the power, the clutch feels weird. And the speedometer, you can see the mirrors. Anthony, I'm test riding it. Come on. Okay, so the bike feels pretty like nimble. How's it to no-hander? Okay. It's a lot more torquey, because I'm pretty sure, well, this is the 2018 edition, and I'm pretty sure it's the 250R motor in an L body sort of thing. So, and by L body I mean the front headlight, the turning signals, everything you need to make it road legal. It's so torquey, dude. How do you keep a straight throttle? Okay, guys. Oh, it also tells you if you're in neutral. This is gonna do it for my review of the Crf250L. I had a pretty good time out here reviewing that bike. Compared to this bike, it's fun. It's lighter than you'd expect, but it's also nimble compared to most enduros or street bikes, I guess you could say, since that is a road bike technically. I had fun. I'm definitely gonna have more experience riding that bike later on in the future. Hopefully when my brother gains more trust into me. The 150F, for being such a heavy bike, it is lighter than the 250L. And there was a bird right there. The 250L does pack a punch. It does have like that way more, like when I'm riding this bike and I do like torque tests, yes, this bike is torquey, but compared to the 250L, it is nothing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to smash the like button. Comment what you thought about the video down below. And make sure you share this video with all your friends. For now, hollering out. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.